Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most recent and most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video, and a quite exciting one to say the least. And that's because the DJI Mini SE has finally been officially announced, and in today's video we're going to be having here the first unboxing for all of you guys. So we're going to be having a first glance at everything that's going to be included in the box, and also we're going to be discussing about what's going on with the DJI Mini SE, because we told you guys here about almost a month ago that the DJI Mini SE was going to be released June the 30th, so we got that right. Now unfortunately it looks like this drone will not be released worldwide, at least for now. In today's video we're going to be talking about where is it going to be released and how you can get your hands on the DJI Mini SE. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first ones to bring you the most recent and most relevant drone news. And we're also in the road to 10,000 subscribers, and we're currently extremely close to 7,000. So if you're watching today's video and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family so that you can help us get to that goal, which we're really not that far away anymore, guys. So with that being said, why don't we just go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. Well, the DJI Mini SE was leaked over a month ago, and we said to you guys that it was going to be releasing June the 30th, which that actually happened. But and there was a trick to that, and that is because it looks like the DJI Mini SE will not actually be releasing worldwide, at least for now. So let's go ahead and take a look at what DJI had to say regarding this. So they said the following: there are currently no plans to sell the DJI Mini SE in the United States or Europe, apart from Russia. Southeast Asian countries and South American countries will start selling today, guys. So it looks like for now, at least starting now June 30th, the DJI Mini SE will only be available in Russia, Southeast Asian countries, and some South American countries. So without that, that's a bit disappointing, because one of the biggest market share by DJI is the United States. So I don't know what DJI was thinking by doing this. It looks like DJI wants the people in the United States to only go ahead and buy the Mini 2, which is more expensive, which almost double the price. So I don't know what's up with that. Hopefully that changes and they are able to ship it onto the United States, but we don't know if that's going to actually happen. Now, how can you get your hands on the DJI Mini SE? Well, you can get your hands probably on eBay. I think that will be a good way to get it. Also, Mercado Libre is also another option you can opt for. They have the Mini SE available for sale. We just don't know if they ship it to the US. We need to check on that, guys, but I think they do. You need to double check on that. But the Mini SE is available in Mercado Libre also there, so that's good news. So also we don't know if Amazon's gonna sell it. I really don't think Amazon's gonna sell it, but we'll have to wait and see. But it looks like for now your best option is gonna just have to be someone from some of these countries ship it out to you guys. So that might be the only option for now. We still don't know how much the shipping is going to be, but without that, it's not going to be cheap. I think it's just going to be a better option to opt for the Mavic Mini 1. So that's what's going on with the DJI Mini SE and its availability. Hopefully the United States and the rest of the world can get their hands on the Mini SE, because without doubt this is the cheapest DJI drone to date. You heard that right, guys. The DJI Mini SE, the standard version, is going to cost $299, and it's going to include your drone, your controller, which is, keep in mind, it's the Mavic Mini 1 controller. It is not the Mini 2 controller. It looks like Walmart, when they leaked it, they got the wrong picture there. So keep that in mind. Mini 1 controller is going to be included, one battery and one set of props, and that's going to be pretty much it, guys. We're going to be taking at the unboxing, guys. So why don't we just go ahead and take a look at what's going to be included inside the base version, which is the basic one. And then you also have the Fly More combo. We still don't have the official pricing for the Fly More combo. We need to wait and see what the price is, but the standard version will be $299, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unboxing of the DJI Mini SE right here on screen, guys. So here we have it. Thanks for a good different software looks on YouTube. So there is the DJI Mini SE. There's the box of our standard version, which is going to retail for $299. Basically, it's the DJI Mavic Mini 2 on the outside with the Mini 1 in the inside. So we get our orange tip props that we find it on the Mini 2. We also get our front LED light, which is the same one that we find it on the Mini 2. Now we don't have 4K in this drone. This will only shoot 2.7K. Now there's what's going to be inside of the drone. Basically just one battery, our props, the instructions, and our controller. That's going to be pretty much it, guys. So just the basic stuff that you need to get up and flying. So there's the DJI Mini SE. Basically, as we already mentioned, a Mini 2 on the outside. There it is compared to the Mavic Pro, the original Mavic Pro one, which was launched in 2016. So definitely there's a huge size difference between the two. The Mini SE weighing at under 249 grams and the Mavic 2 Pro weighing all over 900 grams. There's a huge difference in weight. So that's the Mini SE, guys. Without a doubt, that drone is going to sell great. Hopefully it ships out and it's available in North America and Europe relatively soon. So there's our camera. Pretty much the same thing that we find it on the Mavic Mini 1. There's no big difference between the two. Also the Mini SE has a Wi-Fi transmission system, so you don't need to worry about that. So that is the Mini SE. There's our LED light at the back. So that it is it. So there we have it, guys. That was the DJI Mini SE basic version. That pretty much is it. Everything that's included, pretty much the basic stuff that you need to get up and flying. Without that, this will be a very successful drone, and it looks like they're just going to try to penetrate onto the countries where people don't have the opportunity to buy very expensive drones, and I think this is going to be an extraordinary alternative, guys. So without that, it's going to sell great. There's no doubt about that, and especially this price point. I think that the only thing that DJI needs to fix is the availability. We need to see this drone enter Europe and the United States, guys. So hopefully that changes soon, and as soon as that happens, you will hear it here first. You don't need to worry about that. But that was the DJI Mini SE first unboxing. Without a doubt, it's practically just a DJI Mavic Mini 1 on the inside and a Mini 2 on the outside, guys, at a more affordable price, guys. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.